In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country, state, or address on Coinbase in the easiest way possible. Whether you've recently moved or simply need to update your information, I'll guide you through the process step by step. This should only take about 5 minutes of your time, so let's get started right away. First, you need to log into your Coinbase account using a web browser. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to your profile settings. From there, you'll want to click on the General tab. This is where all of your basic account information is stored, making it the perfect place to start. As you scroll through the general settings, specifically look for the section titled Personal Information. Within this section, you'll find your residential address. Now, in order to make any changes, you'll need to select the Edit button located right next to your current address. Once you've clicked that, you'll see the option to enter your new address details. Be sure to type in your information accurately to avoid any unnecessary setbacks. After entering your new address, don't forget to save these changes. It's a crucial step, as failing to do so means your information won't be updated. Now, if your changes involve not just a new street address but also a different country or state, there are a couple more things you need to do. Coinbase may require you to re-verify your identity. This is a standard procedure to ensure that the changes you're making are legitimate and secure. In most cases, you'll need to upload some form of identification, like a passport or driver's license. Additionally, be prepared to provide a proof of address document, such as a utility bill or a bank statement, that clearly shows your new address. Occasionally, you might find that the option to edit your country or state is locked. When that happens, it's no cause for despair. All you have to do is reach out to Coinbase support. They are equipped to handle these types of requests and can guide you through the verification process or even make the changes on your behalf. And there you have it, a straightforward method to update your address on Coinbase. By following these steps closely, you'll ensure your account reflects your current information, which is vital for maintaining the accuracy and security of your account transactions. Remember, keeping this information up to date is not only important for your own records, but also crucial for ensuring compliance with Coinbase's terms and conditions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more useful tips and guides.